Welcome to Zapit. This video will guide you through the simple and secure process of accepting an offer to buy Bitcoin Cash. First, open the Zapit app on your device, and then navigate to the P2P exchange section. Take your time browsing through the list of available offers and select the offer you wish to accept. Then, enter the desired amount of Bitcoin Cash you wish to buy and choose your preferred payment method. Now, the seller will transfer the Bitcoin Cash to the escrow, a smart contract, until the trade is completed. When the seller funds the escrow, you will receive payment details to complete the transaction. Now, you can make the payment to the seller. Once you've made the payment, click Confirm to let the seller know that you have completed the transaction. If the seller doesn't confirm your payment, click Need help with this order at the bottom of your screen, and a dispute will be initiated. Zapit support will help to release your Bitcoin Cash from the escrow after reviewing the proof. Once the seller confirms your payment, the purchased Bitcoin Cash will be instantly transferred to your Zapit wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully completed a buy transaction on Zapit's P2P exchange. Don't forget to rate the seller to let other users know about your experience. And that's it for accepting a buy offer on Zapit's P2P exchange. Remember to always practice safe trading practices and use only the preferred methods to make your payment. Happy trading! For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.